Welcome to ATech. Today we will discuss that how you can make a page on Facebook. So open the app, select three dots, and here you can see pages option. So click on pages option. On top you can find create, like, page and invite. So press the create. Get started. Here you can select the name of your page. Cricket World Cup. Then press next. Here you can choose category. So my channel is about sports. So finish setting up your page. Here you can write your bio or short description. I am a sports expert. You can find latest sports information on this page. And here you can give your website link, email, your phone number. You can choose your location. You can select your hours. If you have e-commerce store, then you can select hours. If not, then you can select no hours available. After selecting, you can find customize your page. So you can change your logo or upload your logo. So here you can find a list of options that how people can connect with you. So you can select according to your category. You can select sign up, start order, view shop, get tickets, message, WhatsApp, etc. If you have e-commerce, then you can select get orders. So here you can choose your mobile number and connect it with your Facebook page. That people can contact with you if they want to collaborate with you, if they want to take or give any information to you. Welcome to your new page. Start tour. Next, done. So here is the first look of our page. So we can add cover photo. We can edit our about section. We can add all this information. We can upload reels. We can go live. We can get messages. So we are going to create our first post on our Facebook page. Hi, welcome to my page. Cricket World Cup. Here you can find latest sports information and matches schedule every day. So after publishing this first post, you can see the result. So in this